Here is a short video of some of the construction equipment I've accumulated over the last few years. I'm not going to go through them all right at the moment. I will give a short review on some of my favorites. These are all 1/34 scale here. I actually do have quite a collection here. Most of these are by First Gear, some by NGZ, some by Conrad. These are all First Gear 125 Max and Internationals. And some 1/50th scale pieces of machinery. I'll be going through them over the next couple of weeks and have other videos posted to keep everybody occupied. Thank you for watching.